Umuulan guys. Gala kami ni Thomas. Ito yung kadate ko. Wait, pakita ko. Ayan ang kadate ko. Oh, maulan. With mommy. We go there. I wanna go next. Mommy wanna look for, bra. Maulan. This is, Apple store. Okay. We're gonna go next.
Yeah? Where we're gonna go next?
Next.
Where's next? Where's the next?
Next. H&M?
next?
Is it closing? H&M?
What's next?
Next.
What's next?
Next.
What's next?
Next after next. Dito tayo. Then we're gonna have something to eat and then after that we head home.
Okay. Hey, you bought a return ticket, yeah?
Yeah. Wala tayong return ticket.
Hey, so what time is it?
Same time yesterday.
What?
Same time yesterday.
Every day, same time yesterday.
Tommy Hilfiger. Si Thomas nakabudol na kay mami ito.
Huh? Oh.
He said, you got that one now. In next, you can look for as well, baby boy?
Yeah. That's
Pat
what I want.
paste. You wanna look ng pat paste?
Now.
No, suffer na.
Taking it in the
JD, you wanna JD?
Nah, there's nothing.
Nothing
You
with
have
that.
tracksuits.
Lamig. We go around here. Ah, they had KFC there.
I told you.
You wanna KFC?
It's up to you.
You wanna eat first?
No, we're looking.
No, we eat first. I'm hungry too.
Okay, no.
Yeah, KFC. You sure KFC you don't wanna sushi there,
Cool, and Itsu.
Itsu?
I don't mind that. It's up to you.
So we go Itsu instead of KFC.
You do where you want.
Itsu.
I'll
Because
eat
they
where
had soup there.
I'll eat where you
We go Itsu first. Kain muna tayo. We're in the bat. Because they had soup there, noodles.
Okay.
Ang kadate ko. Mag-Itsu muna kami.